Hello guys and welcome to my channel. So today is the beginning of my trading lectures. That's beginner to pro lecture series. Now this is lecture series 1. That's lecture 1, introduction to forex. So we are going to talk about just 4 things. Number 1, we are going to start talking about what is forex trading. Let me tell you something. Even if you don't know what forex trading is, if you watch this video till the end, you'll be able to understand what forex trading is and how it works. That's number 1. You will know what forex trading is. Number 2, we are going to talk about how currency pairs works. Currency is different from currency pairs. Currency pair is a combination of 2 currencies. Now, number 3, we are going to talk about what does buy and sell mean. Because some people think like when you buy market, and if you want to exit, that's you want to close the position, you just go and sell, and it doesn't work that way. That's number 2. No, that's number 3, sorry. Number 4, we are going to talk about pips. What is a pips and what does pips mean? Okay, let's go. What is forex? Forex or FX means what? Means foreign exchange. It's a global market where currency are being bought and sold against each other. Against what? Against each other. Now, if you look at this screen, you will see something like Euro USD. That's the example of foreign exchange pair. That's currency pair. GBP USD, that is Great British Pound versus US dollar. USD JPY USD, that's US dollar versus Japanese yen. Gold versus US dollars. The basic idea is you buy currency, that's you buy one currency while selling another currency at the same time. Instead of you buying this currency, selling it, and buying this one again, selling it, you can do it simultaneously. That's the essence of forex trading, this online forex trading. Now, for example, if you believe, that is, you see, they start bringing some important word, believe. If you believe euro will what? Euro will become strong against USD. You can what? You can buy euro USD. And if you believe euro will become weaker, what you will do? You will sell. Once you sell euro USD, you want the euro price to what? To go down. Understand? So that is what forex is, and that is how forex trading works. Okay, let's move to the next topic. We have currency pair. Whenever you hear currency pair, instead of just hearing currency, you say, what these people are putting, like they are putting me in the darkness. So currency pair is different from currency. Currency is a single currency, and currency pair is a combination of 2 currencies. That is what currency pair mean. Every forex pair has 2 currencies. You hear? Every forex pair has 2 currencies. Now, for example, this euro USD, we have 2 currencies at the same place, which is what? The euro and the USD. Now, the first pair is always what? Your base currency, and the second pair is always your cut currency. The first pair is the one having the chart, not the second pair. It's the one what? Having the chart. Okay, if euro USD is 0.01, it means what? Each 1 euro is equals to is equals to $1.1 US dollar. 1 euro is equals to what? 1.1 US dollar. So that is the reason why you'll be seeing something like this. This is what we call a price scale. Price scale. It is showing you the price of let's say like this one. It will be showing you the price of ZAO USD, because this chart is for ZAO USD. So that is what it will be showing you, ZAO USD. Now, if the price rises from 1.1 to 1.11, euro has strengthened what? Relative to USD. You see? And if it falls from 0.1 to 0.0900, euro has what? Has weakened relative to what? Relative to USD. So that is how currency pairs work. Let's move to the third topic. Here we are. You'll be hearing buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. It is not like a sport. When you buy, you enter the market. When you sell, you exit the market. No. That's the reason why I come down here and write clause. Buy, if you say buy, you mean long, you mean you enter the market. When you want to exit, you cannot come and press sell. You cannot. You can only what? You can only close or exit the market, but you cannot go and press sell. If you buy and press sell at the same moment, that means you are opening what? Two types of position. A buying position and a selling position. A buying position, you will need the currency pair that you press a buy on it to go up. And if you press a sell, you need the currency pair that you press a sell on it to what? To go down. So buy and sell are two different types of execution. It is not like entering the market and exiting the market. No. If you want to exit this buy, you close. If you want to exit this sell, you close also. So that is what buy and sell means. You can call it short and long. Are all the same. Buy long, sell short. So are all the same thing. Okay, let's move to the next topic. Okay, before that, here is some very, very important note. A very, very important note, which says forex trading isn't simple about predicting direction, because I can see that many people just want to know how to analyze their chart, thinking that it is the only what problem they have. Knowing how to analyze your chart will only give you a 20% chance of becoming a profitable trader. A 20%. The remaining 80 are from where? Position sizing, risk management, discipline, planning your trade. So, okay, let's read this thing. Your entry, you see, stop loss, position sizing, and risk management determine whether a strategy can be profitable over many trades, not just 1 to 2 trades. I sometimes just look at people and just laugh. A person will come to your DM and be asking you whether his strategy is working or not. When you ask that person how many trades you place using that strategy, he will tell you 2, 3, and all the 3 lost. You cannot just say your strategy is working or not until you give it a chance. So this is a topic on its own, and we are going to talk about it. Let's go to the 4th topic, which is the last topic. Pips. What does pips mean? What does pips mean? Okay, a pips is a standard unit used to measure price movement in many forex pairs. For example, I like using Euro USD because it's the pair that almost everyone knows. Even if you are not a trader, you know what Euro USD is. Okay, for example, Euro USD. When its price changes from 1.1 to 1.11, sorry, I mistakenly put this 5 like this. So it gives you 110 pips. How are you going to calculate this? You just say this price minus this price, it will give you 110. It's a normal calculation. So for forex involving JPY, they have 3 decimal places. So you are going to neglect the 3rd decimal places. You are going to only use the first and the second. That's the first 2 decimal numbers. Neglect the 3rd one. So also on Euro USD, sometimes you will be seeing 5 numbers after the decimal point. So you are going to neglect the number 5th and use only 4 for your calculation. Although this time around many platforms have their own pips calculation, you don't have to bother yourself about calculating pips and so on and so forth. So guys, this will be the end of this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on notification for more videos. Stay safe.